Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Hands up, such a rush. I love having you here with me. To dream big is no sin. The sky has no limit, yeah, we're free. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Baby, we're leaving midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. Never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Oh, we're leaving at midnight.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait to see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
great workout. I know your legs are tired because mine are worn out. Congratulations if you finished this workout. Make sure you like this video. Also subscribe to the channel. We're going to do a few stretches here. Alright, so from this one, we're going to stretch those hamstrings, alright? Coming down to our shins. If you come down lower, that's perfectly fine. But we're going to start off at the shins, and then we're going to go a little bit further on the next round, okay? This is going to be great for your hamstrings, great for your lower back too as well. Make sure you bend at your knees to come up to that start position. Okay, from here we're going to lunge down to the ground, pick one leg up. You're going to stretch that quadricep nice and good, okay? And just do it to whatever's comfortable for you. You may want to put a mat right under your knee. That's perfectly fine too. It may even help with that range of motion there. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said before, you're going to do this video maybe 3 to 4 times each and every week. Perfect for a warm-up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for more videos. You know, get the merch. It's in the description right now. Make sure you check it out. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.